Look at the radar. Wait, I want to take it.
Well, we'll be up there in a moment. Let's go. Guys, be quiet, be quiet. I'm getting a shot of a 747 from the tower. This is crazy. I rarely see these from the ground. Yo, how many views do you think that 747 is gonna get?
I don't know.
They're down the runway.
Spotted our van.
Why is my focus so bad, bruh?
Yeah. So right now the controllers upstairs, they're probably going to position these aircraft to cover or cross, because that's a heavy aircraft creating weight turbulence. So he can cross these aircraft across to give separation for that 737, so he doesn't experience weight turbulence behind that guy.
Yeah, notice all these guys are coming all at once. They were all given instructions to cross runway 34 right.
As soon as they clear, he's going to launch that 737 down.
Yeah, there's one down there.
Over there. I can see.
There he is. Has anyone gotten better shots than these? Hold on, what is that? Is that a 767 or? It's a 37.
See the smoke where he landed?
Yeah.
Right
Ooh,
on the-
MD-11,
right on the
MD-11.
touchdown zone right there.
There's an MD-11. Focus. Alright, let's hope he butters.
Nice. So how often do you get to come up here and give tours? Or you ever work here in this building? Or?
No, I just typically education.
Ooh, the honoring those who serve.
So I coordinate with the traveling staff. So once a month I'm down there.
Okay. Awesome. I could sleep here out here all day long as long as I'm warm.
That's the one for aviation.
Yeah, I know. Well, they actually
you're
have
right.
two.
We're
They
in
actually
that
have two of
plane.
those.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have two of those actually.
Do they? Maybe it wasn't that one then?
It's a 50-50. Because when we were there was that one in the hangar, but there was also I saw one like taxiing out.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic.
It is.
It's a great day. We were there both here and then see that. So if your group is ever interested in TradeCon, it's literally right. Yeah. That big building right over there.
About a year ago exactly. We got the pressure on the helicopter. Let's see what it's like.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I think that's definitely would be the next step there. That 777 there, Miles? There?
Yeah, the Qatar one.
280 or what is that?
It's Qatar.
Guitar?
Some of them
Yeah, it's really cool.
kind of like the closest club to minimum their coordinators. It's amazing. Just it's in the airplane. That's how that's our goal. It's quieting down out there. The lawn is diminished. What's the footer? You want a picture of here?
Well, that would be wonderful.
You guys plan it?
I'm the. I don't know if I do work with developers at the first model, and so I was looking at their traffic controllers for a little bit.
All right, guys, let's see if we can. All right, we got British Airways 787 on final, short approach. Runway 34 right. There's touchdown.
Let's get a close up.
From SeaTac Tower.
On my camera, the rudder's like fading away. What is with that? That was a fast stop.